Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. First a look at the top stories. DFF and ESG officials blame each other for Lakshmikant fiasco. Lakshmikant says he was not treated properly. CM dances, sings at IFFI inauguration at Madgaon. Mrs. Kamath dances to the tunes of her hubby. Have a look at our CM singing Om Shanti Om. Security guards assault Tare Zameen Par star Vipin Sharma. DFF apologized, says such incident will not be repeated. Julio Lobo, suspect in Scarlet case, acquitted. Children's Court says no evidence against him. Julio says this case ruined his life. Ivana's hard work and consistency rewarded as Goan chess prodigy completes 5 glorious years. Ivana now playing very professionally, says Ellie. And Indian football team yet to know their opponents for December international friendly. Bob Houghton's sides continue to train for upcoming challenge. Now the news in detail. Nobody knows who is responsible for the mess at the premiere of Pultotsu Munis. DFF and ESG officials are now passing the buck on each other for not issuing delegate and car pass to Lakshmikant Shedgaonkar. Shedgaonkar has alleged that he has not even invited for red carpet.
As a matter of fact, I was not informed about this. Maka red carpet asam khabarच na. There was no email, there is no message also, and personally I was here. But nobody informed me about something called red carpet. Generally, मातशें miscoordination आसा ह्या फावटी आणि मातशें प्रॉब्लेम जालो सुरवातीक तर मेन ते कार पार्किंग जे आसा ते खातीर आणि generally there is a mismanagement in this festival which I have seen. I don't know केन्ना improve जातलें तें.
He was not given a delegate pass nor a car parking pass. Later in the evening, Shedgaonkar was supposed to ramp on the red carpet, but he was not informed about it either. He missed red carpet too. CEO of ESG Manoj Srivastava washed away his hands, saying it's management of Indian Panorama DFF's responsibility.
ये सारी बातें जो हैं जिन लोगों ने इनवाइट किया डायरेक्टरेट ऑफ फिल्म फेस्टिवल से उन्हें प्रॉपर इनवाइट्स कार पार्क स्टिकर्स ये सब देखने चाहिए थे.
But DFF Director SM Khan said that it is Entertainment Society of Goa who has to execute the schedule.
उनको इनवाइट किया गया था और जो भी लोकल यहाँ पर ट्रांसपोर्ट और मूवमेंट का देख रहे हैं उनको इन्फॉर्मेशन थी. इंडियन पैनोरामा का बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट फंक्शन था, उसमें अगर ऐसा हुआ है तो मुझे इस बात का बहुत दुख है एंड आई विल टेक इट अप विद ESG वेरी स्ट्रांगली.
Rajendra Talak too tried to close down the chapter by saying they tried to contact Shedgaonkar but was not reachable. Hence, they could not inform him about the red carpet walk.
पेट हिपा इव्हेंट आसा हो सांजचो आसा हो सकाळी 9 वरांचेर नासता. जी फिल्म जातात त्या आर्टिस्टाक आमी सांजचे रेड कार्पेटीचेर आपयतात आनी वी ट्राय टू कॉन्टॅक्ट लक्ष्मीकांत शेटकार. आय ट्रायड पर्सनली, रोहित ट्रायड पर्सनली, बट यू आर नॉट टेकिंग हिज फोन नंबर. सी आमकां अनुभव तो आयलो फोन घेनाशिल्लो. So how we can contact this person? You tell me.
During the premiere of Pultotsu Munis, there was lot of confusion. Earlier, DFF felicitated Shedgaonkar but without any bouquet of flowers. But the question stays unanswered as to why ESG is so confused when it comes to Goan director Lakshmikant Shedgaonkar. Our senior reporter Rakesh Kandolkar, our reporter Laukik Shilkar and video journalist Ganesh Hotkar.
Looks like IFFI has really rocked the state. The 40th edition of IFFI was inaugurated at Madgaon in Ravindra Bhavan on Tuesday. CM danced to the tunes of Asma and CM's wife rocked the tunes of CM. Was the amazing performance of Mr. and Mrs. Kamath.
Goa people, put your hands up and say, Om Shanti Om. One more time, Goa people, come on, make some noise. Om Shanti Om. एक बात मानना पड़ेगा, कामत सर बिल्कुल सुर में गा रहे हैं. एक बार जोरदार तालियां.
This is not a dream. Pinch yourself. It's a reality. Our own Chief Minister is actually singing and dancing at the inaugural of the 40th edition of IFFI. Not just that, have a look. He even makes Asha Kamath dance to the tunes of Dil Mein Baji Guitar. Wow, and here he sings along with the troupe of Asma. Looks like someone can make CM dance to his tunes. Many actors like Amla, Nagarjuna witnessed this rare and unexpected performance as special guests. But actors turned mere spectators. The troupe invited the Chief Minister on the stage. Later, Asha Kamath joined them. But CM definitely rocked the show. Well, this was a big boost to all the other dignitaries and the Aam Aadmis present for the show. Even chairperson of Madgaon municipality, Savio Coutinho, and his wife set the stage on fire with their dance performance. It was really an evening of VIP dance. A reporter at Madgaon, Samir Bhatt.
Security officials at IFFI campus didn't even spare celebrities. Tare Zameen Par fame Vipin Sharma was assaulted by security guards on Wednesday. Sharma was pushed out of the ESG gate as he tried to enter the campus without a delegate pass. DFF has apologized for this incident and have assured that such type of incident will not be repeated. Look at this visuals, the way security guard is pushing the star of Tare Zameen Par Vipin Sharma. Security guard was demanding a delegate pass and seems Vipin was not wearing it.
Don't touch me, I'm telling you. Don't touch me. Out. You can go out. तो आपके पास कार्ड नहीं है इसलिए कार्ड दिखाइए आप.
Director of Film Festival SM Khan has requested guests and delegates to display the delegate passes and ID cards.
The delegates, I will request all the delegates to wear their cards so that security should not have an excuse of finding cards from them, and they can see from a distance that a delegate or a media person or a guest is wearing the card.
Khan has also apologized Sharma for misbehavior of the security official.
Through your medium, I apologize to Mr. Sharma, being as festival director, that this thing should not have happened, and I will take it up with our local organizers, Entertainment Society of Goa, about the misconduct done by security guard to the guest.
CEO of ESG has assured that he will take cognizance of this incident.
I saw the video just now and this is totally unacceptable to me. My instructions are very clear. You have to be firm, but you have to be polite. So no pushing around. This cannot happen. I've just called a review meeting and we'll see to it that it is not repeated. I regret the incident.
A reporter from Panji Laukik Shilkar for Prudent Media. Well, we'll take a short break here. More news after the break.